After wandering, we came back home. A yummy dinner was waiting for us. I was so hungry that I forgot to take a picture or any footage of food for my vlog, but I was lucky enough to capture the beauty of the salad. Now we are heading towards Patriata and we are thinking to take a ride on chairlift.
अंदर जाने का रास्ता।
But look at this, guys, the line is so long that it would take us an entire day to get the ticket. So I think we have to drop our plan. So we are not taking any ride on chairlift, but we have decided to take a road trip to Patriata and we hired a taxi and making a road trip to Patriata.
हेलो डायनासोर, केम छो? मजामा भाई, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चाय पीने का नुकसान है क्या? गोलगप्पे खाने का नुकसान नहीं है?
गोलगप्पे खाने का नुकसान है खवातीन के लिए।
सुभान अल्लाह।
There was a great debate with taxi driver on fare. At last we convinced him at our own terms and fare. He was agreed, but he took his revenge by choosing a tough route to reach to his taxi.
पापा का हाथ पकड़ लिया। Convenient way, smooth.
And when we reached, we were shocked to see the much easier way. And the taxi driver was be like, "Don't mess with taxi drivers." And here is the much needed taxi. On the way to the taxi, Mustafa and his Baba stopped and made their father and son moment. So cute! The way to Patriata is dangerous and scary as well. You must be skillful in order to reach there safe and sound. There are some traces of snowfall on the way to Patriata, so we stopped our car and tried to capture some awesome photos. At Patriata top, there were a lot of shops. We also purchased 2 traditional jackets for Mustafa and Hassan. One person is roasting corn in hot mixture of salt and sand. The piping hot corn in cold weather is also a blessing in disguise. After some adventure and after taking some photos, we decided to go back.
What?
On the way to Bourbon, we made couple of stops just to create our memories. The local has built some funny sculptures out of snow.
So we have arrived PC Bourbon and there is no parking place near the entrance. So we are waiting for भाई because बुकिंग उन्होंने कराई है, तो अभी वो जाएंगे तो रूम कंफर्म करेंगे. रूम तो ऑफकोर्स कंफर्म है, लेकिन वो जो भी प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं वो फिल होंगे, तो तभी हम अपनी शाही सवारी अंदर लेके जाएंगे। और आई एम फीलिंग लाइक बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना। मुस्तफ़ा, मुस्तफ़ा,
We have been arrived to PC Bhurban, checking in, and let me show you the room of PC Bhurban. It is already night and we all are dressed up for dinner. It was a buffet and let me show you some of the food. This look mouth-watering but taste-wise it is pathetic. Sorry PC, but your food is not that up to mark as compared to your rooms and your room service. Guys, if you're planning to stay at PC, go ahead. This is a great experience, but for food-wise, it is not that good. So I have an alternative option for you. PC has a cafe, order the food from there. It will also save you a few bucks. Because buffet is a bit expensive, you know. But keep the expense aside, it's not worthy of your money. Sorry PC, but your food is not that great. Or maybe I'm a fussy eater, but I think I have great taste. And my taste buds can sense a great food, and if they are not picking the taste, it means there is something wrong with the food. Now we are at playing area. And Mustafa is just loving the train. He was so confident and I thought he will cry, but he was more than happy there. As you can see, he is really enjoying his ride on train, and I am so happy that he is happy. Guys, this is morning and a good news is waiting for us as there is snow falling. A quick review of snowfall. After witnessing the snowfall, now we are ready for breakfast, and to my surprise, they have the best breakfast menu, I must say. But I'm crazy about omelets, so I asked them to make me a cheesy omelette. Thank God, everything was tasty. So for breakfast, PC के लिए thumbs up. This is it from the PC, and now we are moving towards Murray Mall Road. But there is so much snowfall that I think there will be a change of plan. And yes, there is a change of plan. We are not going to Murray Mall Road because there is so much snow and it is not safe, and we do not want to stuck ourselves in traffic. So we have dropped our plan to go to Marimal Road and now we are going back home. Snow is still falling. I'm not feeling like to come back, but this is life. You have to move on. All in all, it was a great trip. Thanks, Bhai, for planning such an amazing trip. I hope you have liked my vlog. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Take good care of yourself. Fi Amanillah.